us to the world of Ek Chaturnar and how he suggested this project?
So Umesh sir, our director, he came to me and narrated me the script. What really fascinated me was after every 7 minutes there's some twist, or the other, and it's just like you're just on the edge of your seat all the time. So I think that was also very interesting. And on top of that, of course, it was comedy. It was situational comedy, and there's suspense in it, there's thrill in it. So I found it very, very entertaining. All the characters are shades of grey, and of course, like you've seen in the trailer, it's set in the heartland of India in Lucknow. So I think that whole space for me was very exciting because I hadn't explored a character like that before, where I stay in the slums and my body language, my lingo is completely like different from what you've seen me doing before. So I think it was very exciting for me as an actor, and he worked very hard on the script for many months, and it's an original story. So I think now the film is ready. And I would like to request the audience to go to the theaters and enjoy our film because it's very entertaining.
How's the prep for the role? Because in slum and it's a completely different kind of role. So could you please tell us about your prep?
So Umesh sir did make me stay in the slums in Lucknow, and that was quite an experience because whenever we pass, even through this through from the side of the slums, we always cover our noses because of the smell and all. And वहाँ पर there was like this ganda nala जो film में है. But after staying there, I think we got adapted to that smell and smell. There was no smell which we could smell anymore. So I think for me it was I had to work on my lingo, on my body language. Then of course the costumes. So the costume team gave me, and of course looking that character because that's not been my upbringing. The character when you see her on screen, you'll not find Divya in it at all. So I think for me, my most important homework is to become the character before I reach the set. So once I am the character, I think a lot of nuances come automatically, which even surprise me. Oh, I did that in that shot, and there's a lot of improvisation which happens during the take. So I think that's something which was very interesting. And of course, on top of that, it had this comic element to it, the whole film. So I think that was one area which I hadn't explored before, and which I was really waiting to explore. So yeah.